Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to make your own level system for your game. Now first, we're going to have to make the GUI. So let's go to Screen GUI. I'm going to name this Level GUI. Now let's add in a frame, and let's call this the level bar. And before we edit the level bar, let's add in a UI list layout. Make sure the padding is 0.02, fill direction is vertical, horizontal alignment is center, and vertical alignment is on the top. Now, let's add in the padding, and the padding top is going to be 0.02. Now we can start customizing this. Alright, after customizing it, I was able to make it look like this. Now we are going to add in another frame, and let's name this Level Progress. The scale is just going to be the whole thing for now. If you want, you can add in the stuff from what you added here to the level progress so it looks a bit better. And I would recommend to make the fill color like yellow or something. Now once you finish that, change the size to 0, 1. And it should look something like this for now. Now go back to the level bar. Add in the text label, and this is going to show what level we are and the XP we are at, or the XP needed to get to the next level. Name the text something similar to level 1, and then you can put in parentheses 0 out of 50 XP. Now you can customize the text however you like. Before we start scripting, we need to make sure we go into our game settings, security, and make sure API services is on because it'll enable data stores. Now let's create a script. I'm going to do the smooth time lapse of me scripting, and you can copy down with me. Alright, here is the script done, and real quick, let's see if it works. So if it works, we should see something good in the output. Yep, it says that I am level 6 and my XP is 0. The reason why it's not 1 is because I used this data store before in this game, so it still saved the data. This is supposed to be 1 actually. Now that we finished that, we are going to go and make a model script and copy what I do. Real quick, I'm going to tell you what these functions mean. So when an XP value has been updated, it is going to run this function, and then it'll work with the GUI and stuff over here, but we also have to make sure we add these. Now real quick, I'm going to tell you what the max XP means. Now, the max XP is basically just going to write a formula of what the max XP is going to be, which is basically just the amount of XP you need to level up. And if the max XP is 0, which would be the case if your player level is 1, it would set it to 50 automatically. Okay, let's keep scripting. So let's go back to our level data script, while wait1, or you can do task.wait. Task.wait is a little bit more modern. I just like using wait because it's shorter, no hidden comments. So every second, we're going to add 5 XP to the player, and this is just testing, so you can use this however you like. And then we have to get the model script from replicated storage, and we are going to do that by requiring it. And I kind of messed something up. Make sure this is actually spelled like this, and then just add the plr value to it so this could work. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add a sound effect when we level up, because right now it's going to be pretty boring. Now we can't do it on this script, because if we do, everybody will be able to hear it. So let's go to replicated storage. Let's add in a folder, events, just name it events or whatever you want. Remote event, level up event. We're going to add one more line of script here. Game.ReplicatedStorage.events, level up event, and we are firing the client for our player. You don't need to add any other variables. And let's go over here. Let's add a local script here. And then just get like a victory sound effect. I'm going to use this sound. It's completely safe because it's made by Roblox. And I like it, so I'm using it. Let's just name this to level up sound effect. And there's barely any lines of script here, so I'm not doing a time lapse. That's literally all, just 3 lines. So let's see if it actually works. If you want to get there quicker, go to this line we added and then just change this to a bigger number. And let's see. We're gonna wait until it goes up to 375. Something good should happen. Okay. As you see, it worked perfectly fine. Real quick, I forgot to add one thing, but it's really not that big of a deal. Okay, there we go. Now it should work properly. Okay, let's see. It's about to level up. Okay, it went up immediately, so that's basically it for this tutorial. If you want to see more stuff like this for your game, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe comment some ideas you have, and I will see you next time.